In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create videos or podcasts using AI, and it will contain professional voices, and all this work is going to be done for free. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Google browser. Then after opening it, you need to search for Notebook LM. The website that is appearing up here, you need to open this. Once this is open, click on Try Notebook LM. Now, click on Create New. So, interface has appeared. Now, we will open YouTube for now. Once YouTube is open, we will search for the type of content that we need to create. For example, I'm going with horror animated style video. We will pick up any of the video. Let's go with this. You can pick up any video and click on share, then click on copy link. Once you have copied the link, come back to Notebook LM and paste the link right here. Once the link has been provided to the website, you need to click on video overview. You will find many other options right here. You can use that as well, but we need to create the video, so we are using this. If you want to create podcast, then you need to click on video overview, but we are creating video, so video overview. Now you will observe that you are getting many options right here. I'll tell you what you need to do exactly right here. First, I'm selecting explainer video. If you want to create a small video, then you need to select the option of brief. I'm creating a video which should be 10 minutes long, so I'm clicking on explainer type. Now you need to choose the language. If you are creating the video for US audience or UK audience, basically the western side of audience, then you need to select English. If you are creating content for India, then you need to select Hindi. Go for English only, as the video which we have taken is in Hindi. Let's see what the website will give the outcome of the video in English. Now you will see that we are getting choice to select the visual style. Here we will select the anime style, as when you select the anime style, it gives more cartoonish style of video and which looks more nice in this genre. If you want to create educational video, then you should select whiteboard, but if you are creating a story type, then you should click on anime. Now here, when we come to this, we will observe that we need to enter the prompt that we want the video to be generated, and you can also see that they have already provided some of the prompts themselves as well. You can use the prompts given by them as well, or you can enter the prompt by your own, or the third option that I prefer, use their prompt and also add additional conditions that you want in the video. Like I'm going with ghost encounter sequence. Then enter the prompt that you want simply. So I've provided what we need in the video. Now click on generate button. Once you have clicked on generate button, it will take a little bit of time, specifically faster than 10 minutes. Here you can see that the icon has appeared, generating video overview. Guys, we can see that the video has been generated right here. Now we will click on this and click on this, and let's see the outcome that we have got.
You know, some places, they just hold on to things. They soak up all the bad stuff that happens there. The pain, the fear, the evil. And they just never, ever.
So you can see that the video has been generated, and till now the voice has been good.
Bathroom. He was, unfortunately, the perfect target for whatever darkness was waiting in that school. Let me introduce you to 14-year-old Jake. His dad's job moved them to a new city, which means a new school where he knows absolutely no one. And Jake's shy, you know? He has trouble starting conversations, and then...
we have generated a video from scratch, and story of the video will be same as the source which we have provided to this website, but the graphics that will have been used in the video are going to be different, and also the voice will be different, and the original video was in Hindi. We have converted the video in English, and you can upload this video on YouTube or whatever platform that you want and can start earning. For example, I had generated a horror video. It will be a horror story. You can generate videos for educational purposes as well. Like you can provide the source of multiple educational videos, or you can provide a PDF of a book, and you can generate a video style version, explainer version that will explain all the complex topics in a video, and you can also upload that on YouTube, or you can use it for yourself and start learning. Or you can also see that we have got flashcard options and mind map options for quiz. You can use this in form of learning. If we had uploaded PDF of a book, then I could have used mind map option for the basic structure of what the chapters are about, and also can create quiz and revise my topic, or can create a video on that quizzes and upload that, or I can create flashcards of the topic and also use them. Everything is up to you that what you are going to do with this. But yeah, this website is crazy, and you can use this to earn, you can use this to upload, you can use this in many different ways that you want. And yeah, the videos which have been generated don't seem that animated, but you can take the screenshot of the graphics and you can upload that in Sora and animate it, and you have already got a voice. You can edit a new video from that video that you have just got. You can use the voice that you have got, and also, or if you want, you can upload this raw material as well on YouTube. This will also boom.